Hi everybody, this is Jim, your friendly neighborhood technology trainer, back again to do a little tutorial on some of our digital resources. Today we are going to be going over Hoopla, which is a fun little app where you can get lots of comic books and movies and books and audio books and kids books and lots of other stuff, some TV shows too. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to be doing it on this iPad here, but you all can do it from your computer as well. It's the same process. You're going to have to input the same stuff. The only things you'll need for this are your library card number, your PIN, and a valid email address to get it all set up. So the first thing you're going to do is go to the App Store. Just like always, we're going to download the app. So we're going to open up the App Store, then we're going to go to search, and then we're going to go and look for Hoopla. We can click where it says Hoopla, and then, like I mentioned before, it might say get, but I have this little cloud because I've already downloaded it before. So I'm going to press that, and then it's going to start downloading. Once it's done downloading, we can go to the screen, we can find the app, and just open it up, just like that. It's going to be asked to use Bluetooth. I'll say okay. So it's going to ask for some information here. If you already have an account, you can just submit your email address and put in your password. But since we're doing a very basic, here's what it's like, we're just going to hit don't have account, sign up. So what you need to do is enter an email address, which I'm going to do. I'm blurring this out so you're not going to be able to see it. But just put in whatever email address you have. Put in a second one to confirm, or the same one to confirm that it is the correct email address, and then come up with a little password. Once you input that information, it's going to ask for your location. I'm going to say allow once. This is going to pull up a bunch of different libraries in the area. And so you're going to pick the one that you are a member of. So I'm going to click St. Clairsville Public Library. And then I'm going to hit agree to their terms. You can also search if you don't have that information. So now it's going to ask for your library card number. You're just going to put it in. Again, I'm going to blur mine out so you can't see it, but you just put in yours right here. And then after you put that in, you're going to put in your PIN number. Then when you're all done, you can hit next. Congratulations, your library allows patrons to borrow up to 15 titles from Hoopla each month. And it has all those same things that we mentioned before. So you're going to hit continue, and it's going to open up the app. This is brought to you by St. Clairsville Public Library. So now you can just start looking. If you want to, you can browse some videos, you can browse some movies, some music, or you can browse some books. So let's look through the videos real quick. So these are some of the videos that we have. You can click any of these and check them out immediately. This is how this is different from Libby, where you have to wait a while. With Hoopla, you can check out immediately. Now, up here at the top, you'll notice there's also television options. And click that. This is a bunch of TV shows. One thing to know about these is, let me show you this right here. So this is a TV show, like a cartoon. You can only check out one episode at a time. That counts as one of your 15. So you can't check out 15 different seasons of TV shows. You can only check out 15 episodes of TV shows. That's an important distinction to make. Now let's go over to the music one. Here you can see lots of CDs. These ones, unlike the television, you don't check out song per song, you check out an entire album, and you have that for 7 days. And then ebooks as well. Up at the top, you can see here there's audiobooks. comics, and ebooks. So whatever your preference is, you can do that. And you can have that. You can also just search if you want to. I didn't have any I wanted to search. My last one I did Calypso. Let's see if that book is in here. Unfortunately, the one by David Sedaris is not here, but you can see there's lots of music. We can even change the filters to just have ebooks. And then again, the David Sedaris one is not here, but lots of other interesting books on Calypso. So that's pretty much everything within Hoopla. One other thing, if you look here on this main page, so right here I'm in My Hoopla. If you look up here, there's a button right here that says Kids. I'm going to press that button, and there's a little check mark next to it. Now, if I go over to Videos, it's in Kids mode, which means that it's only going to be TV shows or movies that are appropriate for kids. So there's no adult content here. Same with music. It's going to be lots of Kids Bop and Peppa Pig and stuff like that. And there's going to be lots of kids' books, audiobooks and ebooks and comic books. This is all very similar on the iPad as it is the computer. So yeah, happy scrolling, happy reading, happy listening, happy watching. See you next time for the next tutorial.